In this video, I'm going to show you how to make t-shirt design on Canva. This is our blank page here. I just colored the background green because I'll be making something here. So let's add a text, and this will be something like something formal. I'll click on this one, the join now stuff, and I'll change the join into hmm, DZSP, like the name of the school or something, and change its color into, should it be brown? Nah, white. Let's change it into white, and let's just delete the now there. And I'll put it here. There you go. And for another element, I'll be adding another text. I want to put this like the officer's position, something like secretary. Remove the time. Okay. And let us change the color into, oh, not looking good. Yeah, so the color of our shirt is green, so I'll put this green background here. Oh my god, I'm not really good at designing. This one's okay. All right, and we can put it a little bit like that. Or there. So this will be at the pocket of the shirt. All right. Now let us share it. I'm okay with this. So I'll just download it. PNG, only one page, and download. Let's wait for that for some time. Okay, let's upload files and open. Let's have another page, add page. Okay. And this will be white now. The color of our page will be white. There. Okay. So this is the design. We'll be cropping it. Okay, there you go. So click on this image, edit, and scroll down, look for mockups. Apparels, only on the pocket. But there is no pocket only here. Okay, maybe this one, the smallest one. And crop, smart crop. That's better. Okay. Apply changes. And voila. I think that's fine. But my original plan is to just put the design on the small pocket in front of the shirt. But anyway, that's about it. That's how you can make t-shirt design on Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.